जानने की कोशिश करनी है, उसको पॉलिश अप करने की कोशिश करनी है। आज इंसान इस वजह से परेशान है कि मेरे पास कोई स्किल नहीं है, कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, कोई काम नहीं है। लेकिन जब आप इस अपने स्किल को जानेंगे, जब आप अपने टैलेंट को जानेंगे, इस पे काम करना शुरू करिए, खुदा की कसम एक दिन ऐसा आएगा। आज आप कंफ्यूज इसलिए है कि मेरे को कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है, लेकिन जब आप अपने स्किल पे काम करेंगे, जब आप अपने टैलेंट पे काम करेंगे, जब आप अपने Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hope you all are doing fantastic. This is Ejaz Ahmed again on this YouTube channel. But first of all, I would like to thank to you all my dear viewers for clicking this video. Well, today we are going to talk about a very important topic, about an interesting topic that plays an important role in our life. Yes, dear viewers, dear brothers and sisters, the topic is vocabulary. Dear viewers, if you want to become a good speaker, if you want to become a good writer, if you want to become a good communicator, if you want to become a confident, then you must have a command on vocabulary. Let us come on and develop your vocabulary. Today, I have chosen a one root word by which we can make a lot of vocabulary. The word is phobia. The phobia is a root word. First of all, let me know you the meaning of the root word. Root word means the basic and the original part of the word is called root word, and also we can say the fundamental part of the word that makes a core meaning called root word. And the meaning of this phobia is the irrational fear of something is called phobia. The irrational fear of something is called phobia. You can say also the unnatural fear of something or the fear of something that is not real is called phobia. But there is a difference between phobia and the fear. Fear means the natural fear of something. That is naturally the fear of something that is real. And the fear of phobia means the fear that is not real, and the fear means the fear of something that is real. Okay, you can see the example of fear, the fear of falling, the fear of dog, the fear of fire, the fear of lion. This is the fear, this is the natural fear. And we are going to learn, we are going to make some vocabs related to the phobia. That is the first vocab that we are going to make. That is, I think you are all familiar about this word, that is Anglophobia. 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 Anglophobia means the fear of English language. Phobia means fear, and the Anglophobia means the fear of English language is called Anglophobia. And the second word that we are going to make, that is ablutophobia. Ablutophobia means the fear of water. Abluto means water and phobia means fear. अपने वोकैबुलरी बनाने के लिए जहां भी आपको फोबिया आ जाए, समझ जाना कि ये रिलेटेड फियर है। इसका मतलब है किसी चीज का खौफ है इंसान को। एंड थर्ड vocab that we are going to make, that is zoophobia. Zoophobia means the fear of animals. the fear of animals is called zoophobia. And the fourth one is, that is monophobia. Monophobia means, mono means alone, and the phobia means fear, the fear of aloneness. The fear of aloneness means monophobia, monophobia. And the fifth one is kleptophobia, kleptophobia, kleptophobia. Kleptophobia means the fear of thief, चोर का खौफ होना, इसको क्लेप्टोफोबिया कहते हैं. क्लेप्टोफोबिया means the fear of thief. And the another word that we are going to make six, that is carcinophobia. Carcinophobia. C-R-C-I. Carcinophobia. Carcinophobia means the fear of cancer. The fear of cancer means, the fear of cancer, we can say carcinophobia. Carcinophobia means the fear of cancer. And another word, that is hydrophobia. Hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means the fear of water, also the fear of ablutophobia, and the hydrophobia meaning is same. Ablutophobia means fear of water, and hydrophobia means also fear of water. There is also one word, that is bathophobia. Bathophobia. Bathophobia means also the fear of water, by fear of taking shower. It's also related to the fear of water. And the another word is, that is the another vocab that we are going to make, that is theophobia. Theophobia means the fear of God. Theo means God, and the phobia means fear, the fear of God. A person who has a fear of God, we can say he has a theophobia. Theophobia means fear of God. And the 10th one is thanatophobia. Thanatophobia. Thanatophobia means the fear of death. A person keep learning new things and build your character, also build your communication. नए चीजों को आप सीखते जाइए, नए चीजों को आप अपने जिंदगी में अप्लाई करते रहें, क्योंकि ये दुनिया जो है, कसम से दुनिया टैलेंट की तलाश में है, दुनिया नए स्किल के तलाश में है. आज हर कोई परेशान है कि मेरे पास कोई स्किल नहीं है, मेरे पास कोई टैलेंट है. हालांकि हर किसी पे अल्लाह ने जो हर इंसान को एक स्किल दिया है, टैलेंट दिया है, बस उसको जानने की कोशिश करनी है, उसको पॉलिश अप करने की कोशिश करनी है. आज इंसान इस वजह से परेशान है कि मेरे पास कोई स्किल नहीं है, कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, कोई काम नहीं है. लेकिन जब आप इस अपने स्किल को जानेंगे, जब आप अपने टैलेंट को जानेंगे, इस पे काम करना शुरू करिए, खुदा की कसम एक दिन ऐसा आएगा. आज आप कंफ्यूज इसलिए है कि मेरे को कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है, लेकिन जब आप अपने स्किल पे काम करेंगे, जब आप अपने टैलेंट पे काम करेंगे, जब आप अपने काम पे, जब अपने आप पे काम करेंगे, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि आपको इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी कि आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि अब किस जगह जाऊंगा. आप कभी भी मायूस मत होना, क्योंकि किसी भी वक्त तुम्हारा किस्मत बदल सकता है. क्योंकि अगर दिल में हो जज्बा, अगर दिल में हो जुनून और हौसले हो बुलंद, तो फिर अखबार बेचने वाला भी काम बन सकता है.